शुक्रारा दाबोळे विमानतळा सबर्बन ह्या ब्लड कलेक्शन लॅबोरेटरीचें उक्तावण जालें. चिखलेकारां खातीर खासा भलायकीचे नदरेन सोय जावची म्हूण ह्या लॅबोरेटरीचें उक्तावण केलां. RDX गोवा खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Very much happy to announce that I have taken Suburban Diagnostic Blood Collection Center and I have opened it today. I'm very happy because this lab is the only lab in Goa which is NABL accredited apart from some hospitals, and it is making me proud to announce that the people, the resident of Chikalim, you may say Upasnagar, Dabolim, then Kortalem, or the resident of Mormugaon Taluka, we are availing all the facilities for them. And I must say that there were no labs this side. Airport Road, there were no labs, believe me, and we will provide the best facilities to them. We also do home visit facilities. I think that will be convenient for the people who cannot afford or cannot travel to come to the lab. We do collection if there is any test, if they have any query or they are not like we have certain clients who are not able to come, old age client or whoever, so we are just one phone call away to them, and I think this will work. I'm hoping people will enjoy this facility.
Actually, this is not a lab, it's a collection center. Okay, so we opened this for the convenience of people in Chikali and the surrounding areas. Our company started in Goa. Its operations in Goa 3 years back. We have our main lab in Ake. Okay, and the main objective was to provide specialized testing like hormones, tumor markers, vitamins, etc. in Goa itself, so that we can give the report on the same day. And I have been told that Suburban is Goa's first standalone pathology lab. There are hospital-based labs, there are CROs, there are other testing labs which are available. But Suburban Diagnostics in Goa is the first standalone reference pathology lab which has received this prestigious accreditation of NABL. This is the NABL certificate which I have received day before yesterday from Delhi. We were audited somewhere towards the end of June. It took us around 2 months for the processing and getting it. I think people from Chikali and the surrounding areas can expect world-class blood test reports from this center. We follow the most respected international standards which are used in any other European or American or any other Scandinavian lab at our center in Goa, to ensure that accuracy is always maintained.
I will say that this is a nearby Dabolim airport which will cater this Kortalim constituency and even Dabolim because there was no such laboratory, which is the latest one. Everybody had to go to ASCO for this, and we have got the laboratory here itself, and I'll tell people to use the best and get the best result.